everybody. Hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging with me a bit today. We're going to be getting into my latest Wantable themed box, and this is Cozytober. If you're new, I'm Laura. I do have furry sidekicks like to hang out with me. This one is Loki. He's getting ready to run away because the boys are playing. We also have Willie and Dexter. I'm Laura. If you're new, please stick around. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. So Wantable is a subscription styling service. You get up to 9 items. If you keep 5 or more, 20% off, $20 styling fee. They have a, that's Dexter. They have the style edit, which is your everyday wear, weekend, casual wear, work wear as well. They have your active edit, which is athleisure, workout wear, and the sleep and body, which is sleep, leisure, and all your intimates, undies, jammies, that kind of fun stuff. They also have themed edits in each of those categories, so it's definitely worth checking out. And of course, I'll put my link down below if you'd like to give it a try. You'll get money towards your first box. So I decided to try the Cozytober. I think they had a special on this. Maybe it was a $5 styling fee. I know they have had the $5 styling fee. We'll see what I did here. And this is all things getting you ready for the cooler weather, right? We've had an amazing, amazing summer here since, I would say, July. It's been fabulous. So here's what I see when I open my box. You can see I have a personalized sticker with my name on there. Tells you what to do on the flaps. This is a huge, huge box. You can request items, like put things on your wish list. So request or decline. Anything requested will go on your wish list, and if it's in your style, in your size, when you request a box, you have a good chance of getting it. If you want to just shop their styles, you can go to shop.wantable.com if you're a subscriber, and you can buy things direct. You can also tag things as what is most important that you really want them to focus on trying to send in your next box as well. So if you have a whole bunch of favorites and you really want a specific item, let them know which one that is. There's a little button there. So right on top, I see this little pamphlet. Tells me this is the Cozytober style edit, and this is personalized as well. It says our #1 edit of the year is yours. Inside is notes from my stylist. My stylist is Jordan. She's amazing. I also have all of my items in my pricing sheet, and there's nothing in here that I had on my requested list. So let's do this. You do get a bag to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And there was a free gift in this one. So if you keep at least 1 item, then you get to keep the free gift. And this one is the cable knit beanie and scarf set in burgundy. It has a $35 value. So we'll check this out. Here's the little hat and the scarf. This is nice. Yeah. It's cute. All right, we won't pull that apart until I know if I'm keeping it or not. First up, we have something from West Key, the textured knit short sleeve top. It's got a double scoop. Has some ribbing in there, a little texture. Okay. Then we have a dress. This is the Alissa asymmetrical dress in navy by Lucy Paris. Yeah, it must go like that off the shoulder there. Dexter's like a super crybaby. He is. If one of the other dogs is doing something, like he wants what they're playing with, this is what it's like every time. He's such a super crybaby. All right, so that is cute. It even like is shorter on that side. I'm wondering if because it goes down. So it'll be interesting to see what this looks like. All right, so then we have the Perfect Airy Top and Iced Coffee by Z Supply. So this is a button down. This will be cute for summer too. That's nice. We've got a pair of jeans in here. These are by Hint of Blue, the split denim midi. Oh, it's a skirt, midi skirt. That's cute. It's long. Has that split in the front. The color's nice. It's got stretch. Yeah, I like that. Next up, something from Dear John. What is this? This is the Holly Straight. This color would go with this set, right? Check out that hem. So these are fun. I like the color. Okay. All right, what else? We have a sweater by Elan. Little front zip sweater. The colors in this are nice. It's like blue and tan and white. I have a pair of hidden Logan high-rise dad jeans. They say they're coated. Let me see here. They don't really look that coated to me, but they do have a little bit of a smoothness to them. So maybe I guess they are lightly coated, I guess. They're a wider leg. Yeah, those are cute. Okay, a couple more cozies here for Cozytober. This is a cardigan by ACOA. That's pretty. Like the colors in that, a little bit of purple, orange. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. And then a super soft one here. This looks really nice. This is by Theo and Spencer. Oh, this is cute. This is a little like sweater coat, sweater jacket. Super soft. Pockets here on the side. Buttons down the front there. All right. We have got a full try on. Let's get right to it and see what works. First outfit, I decided to start with the dress. This is a really great, visually interesting dress, right? So it's kind of got that one shoulder and then it comes up here on the same side as the shoulder dips down. It's got gathers here on the side. See the gathers? It's not ruching. It's true like gathers here. Like it's navy, so a classic navy. It fits nicely on the shoulder and then drops nicely where it's supposed to. It's a nice length, so not short, not too long. I feel like this is a great date night event. Just a pretty dress. It's very pretty. So about this dress, this is the Alissa asymmetrical dress in navy. I'm wearing an extra small. It's by Lucy Paris, and it is 108. Next up, all right, how about the Dear John denim, which is like a really great length for me. Loving the color. I've on a 25. They seem to fit well. I like these. I like the hem. These are fun. And then the top, just a little button down, casual, comfy. You could wear it open with a tank on underneath it. You could wear it closed as a shirt. Great for working home days. Great for just an extra layer. You could even tie it, which might be fun. So I think there's numerous ways to wear this one. It's gauze-like. It's loose fitting. You could add this set, right? That would be cute for just the extra accessories. For the perfect airy top and iced coffee, this is on sale from $79 to $59.25. And for the Holly high-rise wide leg trouser in maroon by Dear John, 108. Next outfit. Okay, so I think this one is definitely a cozy with this amazing topper, pockets. It's so, so soft. The arm sleeves, yes, are a little bit long for me, but I think you can easily cuff those and be fine. It's covering the tushy for the most part. You can button it. It is a little bit oversized, so I've got plenty of room if I decide to button it. This is a definite weekend cozy, travel in the car kind of cozy, because it's just going to be like you're wrapped up in a blanket. All right, then I paired it back to this fun skirt by Hint of Blue. I want a 25. I think I could do, I might size up to 26 just to give myself a little bit more room, but I mean, I can see why she picked it. I just think that I might just try that. But I like it's very, very soft, very, very soft. Has the nice slit in the front, but all the way down to here, so that's good. And then I paired it with this little tee with all the little puckers and gathers. You can see it's kind of wide, so I have just like a bralette on underneath here, but it's kind of wide and square neck, but it's cute. Short sleeve, put on a cute belt and your jacket. It's really adorable. All right, for these items, the Essential Cozy Shacket in Camel by Theo and Spence, $99. The Textured Knit Short Sleeve Top in Dark Sage by West Key, $54. And the Split Denim Midi Skirt in Blush Blue, I'm wearing a 25 as I said, by Hint of Blue, $89. So let me swap out my topper and we're going to put on this quarter zip. All right, so here's the pullover. This has the nice tan and the blue running through it, so I'm enjoying the colors, but it does have this like quarter zip stand-up collar, a little bit of the, what's it called? The dolman sleeve. Looks like all the way up, turn into a turtleneck. You can bring it down. You can even like fold down the collar if you wanted. Which I prefer an open collar, so. What do you think about this one? I'm not sure it's me, but I do think it's nice. So this is the quarter zip Colorblock pullover in camel. I'm wearing an extra small. It's by Elan. It's $97. Final outfit. All right, so now I have on the coated denim and the cardigan by ACOA. Let's start with the cardigan. So this is oversized. I had to, you know, fold the sleeves. It's very oversized, a little bit boxy. I think the colors are nice. I could do a little front tuck with it. So not bad, but super oversized. Like it feels like it's falling off my shoulders. Then the jeans are nice. The fit is nice. These are a 25, so if I were to keep them, I would size up to a 26. I think the length is nice. However, I'm not going to keep these, and the reason is all of this. So we're getting into winter season, and everything, hopefully you guys can see that, is like sticking to them. So I feel like I would have to carry a lint brush around with me to keep these looking pristine. But it's too bad because I like them. All right, so for these, the Novelty Cardigan in Ivory Malt Tie by ACOA, I'm wearing an extra small, $69. And then the Logan Dad Jean in black coated, it says 26, but actually here it says 25. So there are 25 that I got, $94. For everything, $777.25, minus my styling fee, 20 bucks. So, and they're doing the earn cash back. So no longer the buy 5, get 20% off. Instead, if you keep 3 items, you get $30. If you keep 6, $75. And if you keep 9, $120. So the one thing I do like about this is you don't have to keep 5. You have to keep 3, which a lot of times is kind of where I fall, is the 3, and I'm buying 2 extra just to get that 20% off. And then you have to go to the 6 if you do like more pieces. So what's to keep? All right, let's run through these. I'm thinking no to this cardigan. It's just oversized. I'm thinking no to the pants, as we already said. The dress I kind of liked. What did you think? I'm leaning towards a yes. So right now it's a maybe. The little gauzy top I'm thinking I don't need right now. These I think are a yes, but I would prefer my jeans to be a little loose as opposed to just fitting. So I think I'm going to get my normal size, which is a 26. I did love this. I think it was just a warm cozy that I could grab at any time to put over top of things. For this little top, it was fine, nothing wrong with it. I don't think I need it, but cute. And then this skirt I loved. So I did really like this. I think I want to try it in the next size up, the 26, which is my normal size. Very soft, very comfy. I kind of like it as an alternative to wearing jeans all the time. And then the last item was this little pullover, which I really enjoyed the color blocking of it, but I don't think I would grab for it. So I am sitting here at probably 3 items. So the new discount model works out better for me because otherwise I wouldn't get any discount, right? Let me know what you think. And of course, I will list all these items down below in case you'd like to request any of them from your stylist. And I'll put my link so you can get money towards your first box. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. I'll catch you next time.